Welcome back! In this asana, we will do a different variation of bridge pose. For this asana, you will need a yoga block. Now, let's see the bridge pose with block in action. Start by a supine position. Place a block between your knees. Make sure that your knees and ankles are placed in a straight line. Allow your arms to rest on the floor with your palms facing upwards. Inhale and lift your back slowly off the floor by pushing the block that you have placed between your knees. Continue the exercise for another 8 reps. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Four, 'Take deep breaths in and out. 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.